The Supreme Court has put out a very strong observation right now, and this is with regard to the northeastern state of Assam. Supreme Court asking Assam to investigate fake encounters. Under the Supreme Court lens are over 170 fake encounters allegedly, which means there would be a question mark on the police forces, the armed forces as well. Supreme Court has said Assam rights body must investigate the charges. Supreme Court has asked the encounter affected to come forward. This basically happened because of the petitioner who has said that there have been fake encounters in 1 year itself, 2021 to 2022. So we'll try and understand what is happening here. How did this petition get taken up and why? What is the top court saying about it? And why is the focus on the state of Assam? Our legal correspondent Anisha Mathur joins me for the latest on that. Anisha, explain this to us. Why Assam? Why this charge? How is the court taking this ahead?
This judgment that has been passed today by the bench headed by Justice Suryakant comes on a criminal appeal that was filed by a lawyer who had initially approached the Guwahati High Court. Now, the allegations in this PIL and in the petition before the court were that out of 171 encounters that happened in Assam between 2021 to 22, several were fake encounters and the people, the families were too scared to come forward. Now, the Guwahati High Court in its judgment has noted an admission by the Assam government itself that 171 such incidents took place. About 56 persons were injured, about 140 persons were killed. The petition in the Supreme Court says many of these were fake encounters and therefore there must be probe. What the court has now observed is that if it is true, it is a very serious issue. The court is saying we do not want to go into whether it was correct or not because it will be casting aspersions on the Assam government and the Assam police. But since this issue has come forward, since law and justice are at the heart of democracy, therefore the Assam Human Rights Commission has been asked now to take a note of these incidents, to issue a public notice that inquiry will be conducted and any family members, any affected persons or any person with any information can come forward and give information to the Assam Human Rights Commission. This is a very serious allegations that were raised in this petition before the court regarding allegations of fake encounters, regarding allegations that instead of investigating, the police was simply carrying out these encounters. And the Supreme Court in its verdict has once again reiterated earlier orders by the court that fake encounters cannot be allowed to stand, that police procedure cannot be circumvented, and that fake encounters should not be glorified.